Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. Got some black metallic paint. It should be deco art by now, but it's still Anita's because I haven't run out yet. I'm not sure what I'm doing, but I'm going to do whatever it takes. That I should have shaken up a little bit more because this is the deco art white pearl. And that's Floetrol right there. But I think it'll all come out in the wash. This is deco art Americana 24 karat gold. Here's a little dancing fuchsia. Just time to make some more of. Got cerulean blue. Which is not coming out very easily. Which means I should have cleaned the tip out. I wonder if I can get the top off quickly enough to use it. It's definitely time to make some more. Try not to spill that in the meantime. Okay, so I've got Cobalt Turquoise Atelier Cell Activator, and of course White Cell Activator, and Dancing Fuchsia Cell Activator, and this is my acetate tool. So I'm going to start there. Not sure why. I probably should have started with something a little more square. I think I'm just going to use whatever comes to mind. Probably should use some black to lead the colors down, but I'm kind of okay with what's happening right now, so I'm not going to worry about it. Loving the big lacing. Loving the turquoise too. Still not too late to tip this thing. Looks like the Floetrol didn't hurt anything at all. It's a beauty. I still want to try the Dancing Fuchsia. I might still tip. I keep thinking I might want to tip. I've got paint all over me. That I want to get off. Not sure the tendrils were necessary. But I definitely want some spirals. I hadn't contemplated dots yet. So a lot of paint there. I decided to take a chance. Alright, do I want to do anything else to this? Maybe I do. Not sure though. Otherwise, I'm going to torch shortly. Little dancing fuchsia cell activator right there. Let's see what happens when I blow it out. Which reminds me that I can actually blow spirals into my work. Doesn't need to be a lot of them. Knock off some paint and use it to add the odd spiral. I think I just want to use I still should have shaken that, evidently. But I'm going to say I'm done and hope the GAC 800 I got in my paint mix is going to be not a problem. I suppose if I wanted to come back and add dots, I could. What did I just see? I saw this. Then I'm going to shimmer it at you. That's gorgeous. Ha! Hi, this is Priscilla. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And if you'd like to be super helpful, please join the membership. My art is for sale. I'm here to help. If you have questions, feel free to ask. I have 2 books on paint pouring. They're found in the Amazon link, and the Amazon link is found on the link tree in the description underneath the video. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you come again. Bye for now. Priscilla out.